Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne, and today is Happy Friday, Fun Friday. And today, I forgot the date. This is batch filming, so I have to look up all the dates. Make sure which ones I go. I will write that down. I need to make sure I do write some of that stuff down. So it makes my life easier down the road. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate anybody and everybody who's come by. And Jax, you want out? Hold on. Go get the rabbit. Let him bite you. Sorry, can't interrupt us. What was I saying? Yes. All my new subscribers, welcome. I am Payne. This channel is a budgeting channel / art channel / talking head channels / a gardening channel / food channel / whatever I decide to record, basically. So welcome. Hopefully we have a little bit of everything that you can decide what you like to watch. I also have another channel called The Painful Life. You can go over there. That's like some daily vlog stuff. Right now I'm in the process of pivoting it into an arts channel, and I am learning how to do oh my freaking lord. Resilient Lives even asked me to go and Google how to spell calligraphy. I swear my brain and my mouth do not communicate well. Anyways, if you've come back here and come back to see me, I appreciate it. My squirrel brain sometimes wonders why anybody ever comes back. I do appreciate every single one of you, and I don't know what my dad's doing upstairs, but it sounds like he's rolling a freaking bowling ball. Anyways, today we are doing, what one are we doing? We're going to do the rabbit, or we're going to do the shoe, and I just did it in pencil. I figured this time I'll make my little shorter hyper speed recordings a little bit longer by drawing it out and then coloring in it. This was actually, I found this on Pinterest. It was originally a shoe and it had like hiking stuff on it, and so I just kind of changed it up a little bit so I wasn't exactly copying it fully, because I wanted to kind of make it my own. But yeah, you can get a lot of good ideas on Pinterest of what to draw, and maybe one of these days I'll actually do a full-on drawing, maybe some flowers or something like that, and kind of show you how to do it. Do some little flowers if you want to do it yourself. Like I said, these are 3x6, and these are cardstock or like multimedia ones, so they're almost like cardstock. They're a little thicker. That way, after you're done, you can use it as a place card holder for, like, if you get your money like $100 or more and you don't want to have that in your house, which is understandable. You can actually, after you're done with this challenge, you can turn these into place cards. Just change the denomination of what you rolled. I forgot my freaking mic. There's probably a little tinny in here. Anyways, oh well, next time. Yeah, you just change that to whatever denomination you have in your thing, and then take your money back to the bank and put it into a separate savings account so you don't mess with it. And that way you can, have your money into a sinking funds if it gets too big. If you don't want to have it at home, or if you live in an area you don't trust, you can always, change out some of them and make your own cards if you're into the art, if you like doing the art stuff. I do. But anyways, that way you can get the double duty on these things. Alright, let's get started. And oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel, and give me a little thumbs up, and leave a comment in there, even if it's just a heart, to let me know that you're watching. And also kind of helps me if I see whoever's commenting on my channels. I always try to go back to their channels and try to get some time in it, so we can give them some low watch hours. That, and other people who are in my comments will see you, and a lot of times that's how you can get a lot of interest into your own channel. When they see you talking on, they're like, oh, I haven't seen their stuff in a while. Let's go over to Purple Wishes, purple and something. Purple and Glitter, I think Purple and Glitter. She was on the other day, is really cool. Or Resilient Lives, she was just on my last one also. She's getting nice and talkative, or I Desire Wealth, or Sin on a Budget. And all those other ones who pop in and out, and realized April, and some of the other ones are from my other channels that pop in and out. So yeah, you see them in the channels, go check out their channels. If you're kind of interesting and they look like it might actually be a YouTube channel, go and check them out. Alright, let's get started. I've already been jabbering for 5 minutes, and I wanted these things to be under 5 minutes. One of these days it will be. Alright, let's go. Okay, I forgot to do the thingy, and I couldn't find my pen. My micro pen freaking died on me, and so I'm kind of testing out my calligraphy pen, dip pen, and so this is going to be all new. I have not done calligraphy at all, and I'm not sure how much it's going to bleed, because this is not the best paper for it, but we'll see where it's at, and we'll see what it looks like afterward. And this is like I forget the name of it. I'll have to look it up, but yeah, I went shopping the other day. This is a speedball thingy, nib, or holder, and then I have one of these little blue ones. I'm going to be doing a thing on the other channel, kind of doing a what you need to know with the nibs and all that fun stuff later on once I start learning more about it. So we'll see what it's got here, and let's get it rolling. And it's going to be, first one is a $3. Well, that's going to be fun. And 1 and 2 and 3 will be going into the challenge for this week. Like some days you get more money and some days you don't. And then the rest of the money will be going into my jar for the $100 challenge, which will be this one. Once I get to 100, it'll be in play, and I will do the Kraken dice. This is the one that we'll be doing off of that one, which is the heads or tails, and it's the 1 through 100, and then that will go into my fun money account for me to do something fun with. The rest of these ones will be going into one of my sinking funds. So let's get started. Ouch, I'm not sure how this is. Hopefully I don't drop all the ink. That would make a mess. And I've never actually worked with dip pens, so this is going to be all a brand new experience. So that should be fun. Alright. This has a nice drawing. I'm not sure about side to side. Okay, a little bit thinner going on the side. Let's see how much before I lose the thing. Go to the thing, and thick and thin, thin and thick and thin, and it bleeds quite a bit. You might just do the outside in this, and then find another pen to do the rest of it. So that way the outside will be a different type of style. And like I said, this is not the best paper for this. For calligraphy, you really want thin paper, not this like water paint or multimedia one, because it will spread out really well. So as long as I don't try to do the thick or thin one, doing the thin and thick and thin, or the, what is it, the thick, thin, and that's, oh, see how scratchy it is. And thin, and that type of stuff. And we want to clean it out so often. But yeah, that'll be interesting. That does. This will be learning. Alright, let's turn this on to hyper mode. Voila! Oops, let me put the lid on that so I don't end up having my ink everywhere. I think I'm actually going to keep this black and white. I kind of like that. I was playing around first time using one of these quills, and I'm going to keep that one black and white. I kind of like that. So it's kind of like a blotch test. You can see, like, in the shoes, you kind of see what do you see in the pictures? or the squiggles. Do you see anything in the squiggles? These are mostly just squiggles. Some of them kind of turned into animals, but yeah. It's actually these are very nice. I'd like to do some artwork with these, learn how to do the calligraphy flourishes and that type of stuff. But I guess happy accident, this thing dying on me, deciding to use one of my calligraphy quills, and it was a $3 one, or $3. But yeah, a little bit messy, but hey, not too bad. It looks cool with the way the ink kind of spreads a bit. It gives it a different type of, like I said, this is not the best stuff to do, but it's kind of a messy style anyways. With all the different squiggles, they kind of threw a little bit of ink on it, so it looked like a happy accident. And so you got fun saves, plan. You got plan ahead. You got pain, a couple of quarters or whatever, a little mountain in the background, some trees, and a little bit of a river, and a couple of rocks, and then some whatever they picked up on their travels. And these are like little squiggles of just random stuff, or just squiggles. But you know, a deer. This one kind of looked like a skier or a hiker. That kind of looks like a chipmunk. I don't know if it's a wolf, maybe a pig, maybe a deer or a horse. Not sure, with some funky hairs. Looks like that looks like some fish swimming around, almost a yin-yang fish, but 3 of them. Not sure what that is. Some sort of monster. Maybe a bird. I don't know. Tadpoles. Snakes. Blob. Tell me what you see. Anywho, hope you had a wonderful day. See you next time. Love you all. Oh, wait, don't forget to go and see some of my other videos. I have a couple more out of these ones, of the fun Fridays, and some different challenges as well, some 20s and happy planners and all the other types of things. So if you're interested in that, go and check out those videos. If you like some other things, I also have some shop with me's and some cooking videos and that type of stuff. So a little of this, a little of that. So hope you're having a wonderful Friday. I will see you on the next one. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.